Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you are doing great and learning this language in a great way. So friend, in today's video I want to talk about a very common problem which is faced by many learners who are learning English language. And the problem is, I can understand English, I can write English, even I can read English, but still I cannot speak. Why? What is the reason behind this, and what is the solution of this? What can I do to get rid of this problem? Are you facing this problem? Then stick with this video till the end. So first of all, I would like to tell about myself. When I was a beginner, then I was facing this problem a lot, and what I actually did to get rid of this problem. Actually, I am talking about myself, that I can understand English, I can read and I can write English, because in my school days I have been taught that how to read English and how to write, and I have written so many English things like application, essay and English reader. These are so many question and answer which I had written in my school days. So I was able to write English in a good manner, and I can read, even I can understand, because in my school days I have been taught that what is the meaning of this particular story or person. So that is why I was able to understand English and I can properly read and write English. I don't know what actually happened with you, but if you are facing this problem that you can understand English but still you are not able to speak English, then this is the plus point, that at least you can understand English, you can read English. So if you are not able to speak in English, then what you can do? Actually, first of all, I would like to take one example. Okay, let me try to make you understand that what are you not able to speak in English and why. First of all, if I would talk about that, if you want to drive a car and you are watching so many videos that how to drive a car, and you are watching so many things and you are learning, but you are not applying, you are not going into the car and you are not supposed to drive the car, then is this possible that you can become a good driver? Yes or no? Of course no. So same thing is happening with you, that you know how to read and how to write, but you are not speaking, you are not giving your output. So this is the main reason you are not able to speak English. If you are trying, if you are speaking, then of course you will be able to speak English, but you are just learning grammar, rules and vocabulary, and you are watching so many videos that how to read and how to write. You are just watching the video, English video, you are listening videos, but you are not trying to speak. And actually this is not your fault, because we don't have such kind of environment, such kind of surrounding where people speak in English. So this is the main reason actually, but you cannot deny that nowadays you cannot learn. In this era you have your own mobile phone and you can learn English anywhere. Like these are so many apps, there are so many things by using that you can learn. You know what? The main problem is that we never try to speak. If you are trying and if you are giving your efforts to learn how to speak, and if you are trying all the things, then of course you are going to speak English. Is not a rocket science actually. I am not saying that it is a piece of cake. It is just a language. Even everybody can learn this language. So many things is that I would like to tell you, that if you are trying and if you are giving your 100% efforts, and if still you are not able to speak English, then what you can do? First of all, you need to understand that what actually mistakes are you doing. I know if you are trying to speak in English, then you have so many questions, so many queries, that what will happen if I will make the mistake, then people will make fun of me, and this is fear, so that you are not able to speak in English, and you are not trying because you are thinking that if you are speaking, then you will make lots of mistakes and you are stopping yourself. So don't do these kind of things. If you are thinking that people will make fun of you, then don't try to speak in front of people. If you are a beginner, just try to speak alone. You can speak alone. You can use your mobile phone to record yourself. If that whatever you are speaking, you can record and you can listen after recording, or you can speak in front of mirror. There are so many techniques by using that you can learn English, and you can learn alone without any partner. And there are the best part is that nobody is here who can judge you, and you can speak comfortably. You can learn, so just try it. Speak whatever thoughts are coming in your mind. Just try to speak in front of mirror, or in front of mobile phone, in front of camera, so that you can improve yourself and nobody is going to judge you. Don't be afraid that what will happen if you are making lots of mistakes. You are not good enough in grammar. You don't have such kind of vocabulary. You don't have such kind of grammar rules. And if you are speaking, then you are making lots of mistakes, and you are facing this problem, and you are stopping to yourself that you are not going to speak. So just try to speak alone. Try. What you can do actually, if you are listening, whatever you are listening, I always say that stop your mobile phone, or stop whatever you are watching. Stop and try to repeat. If you listening, then repeat after listening, and whatever they are speaking, just try to speak from your mouth and speak aloud, so that you can pronounce whatever you are listening. You can pronounce from your mouth. And if you are doing this, then make my words. Of course you are going to speak English. You never try to speak, and even if you are reading, then I would say that try to speak aloud. If you are reading that there was a king who was like any sentence, you can read then. If you are speaking like this, you are reading like this actually, then try to speak aloud from your mouth, so that you can speak English better. Don't just read in your mind aloud. If you are doing this, then of course your mouth will get habitual. Then of course English will automatically comes from your mouth. If you are doing this, but don't do this, then if you are reading any books or novel, then just try to speak aloud. Don't try to read only in your head and try to just understand. No, not at all. Just you don't have to do these kinds of things, and I know you are doing this, and that is why you are not able to speak. So whatever you are listening and whatever you are reading, just try to speak from your mouth aloud, so that your mouth will get habitual. Okay, if you are taking input, if you are listening 30 minutes, then try to speak 15 minutes. Don't get only input, try to give output. If you are speaking, then this is your output. If you are listening, this is input, and you are speaking. This is output. So try to speak, not think about that what will happen. If you are making lots of mistakes, you don't have grammar rules. You don't need to learn so many grammar rules. If you know the basic grammar rules, then it is enough for speaking. And you have to just learn how to speak. You have to learn how to communicate. You don't have to become lecturer. That you have to give the lecture in the public. No, if you are beginner, then just try to speak simple in English. Speak whatever you are doing in your whole day. Just try to mention it. And if you are doing this, then go ahead and you can learn so many phrases, so many idioms, so that you can use it frequently in your daily life routine. But if you are a beginner, then just try to learn basic grammar rules and try to speak from your mouth. Whatever thoughts coming in your mind, try to speak in English. Try to just speak from yourself. Try to speak alone. And don't be afraid that you are not good enough. Of course, if you are learning this, and if you are a beginner, if you are learning from a very scratch, then it will take time. Of course, it is going to take time. If you are learning anything, then it will take time. So don't think about time, and don't think about whatever you are missed. You are making mistakes. So don't think about this. Do your best. Don't be afraid. Speak confidently. Okay. No matter whatever mistakes you are doing, okay. After some time, after some days, you are going to improve it. Okay. So just try to speak from your mouth. Okay, friends. That all about this video. That is all about this video. Thank you, brother.